Have you seen these tiny workers doing miniature rescues? They look like real movie sets. Some of these videos are hitting millions of views. Here's the twist. Every frame is AI generated. Today, I'll show you how to make these for free. 2 tools, 1 prompt, unlimited videos. Let's go. Step 1. Open ChatGPT. I've built a master prompt for this exact niche. Links in the description. Copy this master prompt and paste it in a ChatGPT. Hit generate. You'll get 5 video ideas instantly. Camera angles, character movement, environment, all baked in. No extra typing needed. Once you share the master prompt with ChatGPT, it will generate and provide the prompt, as you can see here. If you want to generate them more, type more prompts, 5 new ideas. ChatGPT will generate a fresh new prompt each time. You can keep doing this to generate unlimited prompts. Step 2. Search for Google Flow. Then click on the link. Once it opens, here select the Create with Google Flow, then select New Project. Now in this, let's make a setup. Switch to video mode, 9:16 for shorts. Omni Flash model, 10 seconds, that's your setup. Now copy any prompt from ChatGPT, then go back to Google Flow, paste the copied prompt here and click Generate. In seconds, your first miniature rescue video is ready to download. Now let's check the output, what it has generated. Perfect. Now I will try a few more videos. Let's see what the result will be. Now let's check these results. Perfect. Here's what came out the other side. Same prompt, same settings. You can see how much detail it pulls in on the first try. Grab the master template below. It'll save you hours.
If you found this tutorial helpful and learned something new, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my future AI tutorials.